Today, we will learn some vocabulary related to different art supplies. Say these words with your English voice. Oils. Oils. This is a thick type of paint with an oil base, used for painting pictures. Acrylic. Acrylic. This is a chemical-based type of paint. Pastels. Pastels. This is a soft, colored substance, usually in the form of a small stick that is used to draw pictures. Charcoal. Charcoal. This is a hard, black substance similar to coal that can be used as fuel or in the form of sticks as something to draw with. Pencil. Pencil. This is a long, thin object usually made of wood with a sharp black or colored point at one end, used for writing or drawing pictures. Ink. Ink. This is a colored liquid used for writing, printing, painting, and drawing. Clay. Clay. This is thick, heavy soil that is soft when wet and hard when dry or baked, used for making bricks and containers or ornaments and sculptures.